Good morning, students. Welcome you all for the Sankalp Learning Solution crash course of Mathematics CET 2024. So today we are going to deal with a new topic, that is trigonometric functions. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible? Hello, students. Am I audible? Please reply with chat or unmute your mic and try to speak. Yes. Okay. Okay. So trigonometry means what? It is trigonometry in the sense the any functions related to right angle triangle. That is a trigonometry. The word itself suggests that here trigonometry in the sense it is trigonometry means what it is related to the right angle triangle. In Kannada it is called as Trigonometry Shastra. Okay, so let we start with basics of trigonometry. That is first one. So the formula is help for the standard unit circle. So let a measurement of angle XOP, where you can, I hope you can see that in the diagram. Where is the XOP? Here it is a XO and it is P. So this angle, we will say it as theta. Okay, theta being the angle in the standard position, that is P of XY. Okay, X is related to the coordinate of X and Y related to the coordinate point of Y. Then be the point of the terminal ray such that the length of OP is equal to R. The length of OP is equal to R in the sense what? This angle. Wait for a minute. I will just change the color here. Yes. So the length of OP in the sense this length. So length from O to P, this is what we call it as R. R is nothing but R is nothing but radius of a circle. I hope you know this all the things. Okay. Yes. Then R is always greater than the 0. Why? Because any measurement, something should be in the, to express that in the unit, it should be always greater than the 0. Okay, R is always greater than the 0. Otherwise, if it is a 0, then we can say that as a origin point. Means at the origin, O, both X coordinate and Y coordinate will be 0, 0. Okay, just wait for a minute, students. Yes. Okay. Now next one is, that is the formulas of which are related to the things, that is x, the sine theta. Sine theta is equal to y upon r. Y is, you can say that it is a the sides of a right angle triangle and r is a radius, so you can say that y upon r. And next one, it is cos theta, tan theta. Already I hope you know this, just I am revising these things. So cos theta is r upon y, where y is not equal to 0, and sec theta is x upon y, where x is not equal to 0. Cot theta is x upon y, where denominator should not be equal to 0. Next one, that is interrelation between the trigonometric functions. What are the interrelation? I hope you know this all the things, because right from 10th standard we are learning this. Just one time it is. That is cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Sec theta is equal to inverse of cos theta, that is 1 upon cos theta. Then tan theta is equal to sine by cos. Cot is inverse of tan, that is nothing but the 1 upon tan. It is nothing but cos upon sine. And you know this, here the relations are what? It is exactly the reverse of tan is cot, and sine is cosec, and sec is, that is cos. So these are the things where we can get the by reversing, that is taking the inverse of that particular function, or you can say 1 upon the, that all the function will gives us the alternate function. Okay, that is, I hope you know that it is the sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and inverse of these functions means what? The 1 upon these all the things will gives us cosec theta, sec theta, and tan theta. Okay, next. So now it is called, next one, it is sign of a trigonometric functions in a various quadrants. So when Cartesian is divided into four parts. That four parts we call it as quadrants. And here the various functions where the trigonometric functions and what type of the sign action will be happening into with respect to the given quadrant we are going to discuss here. So in the first quadrant, all are positive. All are positive in the sense whether it's sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, all are positive here. And here only the sign is positive in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, in this first quadrant, it is second. In the second quadrant, only sign is positive. And in the third quadrant, tan is positive, except this all the things are negative. And the fourth quadrant, that is only cos is positive. For this to remember, ASTC, you have to remember this. Short form is what? ASTC. ASTC in the sense, first one, A for all, first quadrant, all are positive. For second one, sin is positive. For third one, tan is positive. For fourth one, cos is positive. For this to remember, one simple that is you can say make the statement, that is all silver teacups. E for all, S for silver, T for tea, and C for cups. All silver teacups. But you have to remember the trigonometric function for that. For A means all, and S for sin, T for tan, and C for cot. Okay, so these things will helps you to remember the things that which are positive in the respective quadrant in the examination. Okay, that is all silver teacups. Next one. Yes. Next one is that is sine functions for various t ratios. Okay, for various t ratios, what are the signs of the t ratios will get happen. Now, first one, again, it is a repetition of that previous diagram. First one, all t functions are positive. Next one, it is sine is positive, cosec are positive. Why? Because inverse of sine is cosec, so cosec is also positive. The next one, all others are negative. Means what? Except sine and cosec, remaining all are, that is negative. Third one, it is tan and cot are positive. And next one is cos and sec are positive. Even the function and the inverse of that function is also, that is positive in the respective quadrants. So next one. So here, in the first year already you learned this, the trigonometric functions with respect to that certain standard values are given. That is sine of 0. Sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 30 is half. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. And 180, 270, 360 are 0, minus 1, 0 respectively. Usually these functions are rarely used in the exams. These functions 180, 270 and 360 up to 90 and sometime 180 it may appears in the exam. Up to 90 these are fixed, 0 to 90. Okay, so to remember this, a simple trick is there. If you remember the sine function, remaining the all the functions that are remembering is very easy if you know the properly the sine function. So you just try to remember the sine of 0, sine of 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. Just look it here. That is cos of 0 is always equal to sine of 90. See here. Sine of 0 and cos of 90 both are equal. Both are 0, 0. Then cos of 0 and sine of 90 both are equal here. See here. Cos 0 is also 1 and sine 90 is also 1. Now next function. Sine 30 is always equal to the cos 60 and cos 60 is always equal to the sine cos 30 is always equal to the sine 60. See here, cos 30 is equal to sine 60 and cos 30 is equal to sine 60. See here, it is half root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2. And cos 45 and sine 45 both are equal, 1 by root 2 1 by root 2. Now remembering the tan is very easy. Divide it. Sine by cos will give you always tan. So 0 upon 1, 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 will give you 1 by root 3. Like this, if you remember these all the things, sine, cos, tan you will get. Then if you inverse them, just if you try to write the inverse of the, that is the reverse of the function, and you will get the cot, sec and cosec respectively. Okay, so these are the various functions in the trigonometric functions and the standard values with respect to the given angles. So these are the things what we have to remember in the exam. Okay, next one. So here, it is a domain and range of the trigonometric function. Sometime it may ask in the exam for 1 mark. Again, same. Of course, it is that CET of only 1 mark will be there. But sometime 3 mark question will also appear in the CET for 1 mark. But so you have to remember the t function. Sin x, domain is R and range is -1 to +1. Means sin of the theta is always lie between the +1, -1 and +1. The next one is cos x. Cos x value is also lies between the -1 and +1. So tan x, x belongs to the R where x is not equal to 2n plus 1, then in that range, R is the range of the domain. Means R, it may be of any rational number. Then cot, cosec, sec are same as of that is a sine, cos and tan. Okay. So just try to remember these main identities with respect to the exam. Next one. Now, next one is that is standard that is inequalities of the trigonometric function. Inequalities in the sense what? Where the sine function lie between what? Okay. Inequalities in the sense it may be equal to or it may be less than. That is what we call it as inequalities. Okay. So it is first one is that is first one that is sine is always greater than or equal to -1 and less than or equal to +1. Cos is always again it is same as sine only, greater than or equal to -1 and less than or equal to +1. Sec is less than or equal to -1 or sec theta is greater than or equal to +1. Cosec is also same as sec. So these are the standard inequalities with respect to the trigonometric functions. Okay. Now next one. Let me try to solve some standard examples on this. Yes. Now let me start based on the what we learned, the theoretical knowledge. Let me try to solve some problems based on the that particular inequalities and all and values of the sine, cos, tan and in what range they are lying. Okay. So based on the some questions are arising here, just try to understand and give the answer. First question, which of the following is incorrect? Just try to remember that they are asking clearly that it is not correct. It is clearly they are saying that it is a which one is wrong, that is incorrect. Try to understand and give the answer. First one is sine is -1/5, cos is theta is 1, sec theta is half, tan theta is 20. Which one is wrong? That is incorrect statement with respect to the following. Again, 5 seconds time. Jyoti is given the answer. Apeksha, everyone is giving D as the answer. Okay, D as the answer. Okay. But let me try to understand. So sec theta is half. Is it possible? Sin theta is -1/5. Why? Because -1 to +1 is a range. Then cos theta is 1. It's also in a range. But sec theta is what? It is nothing but the inverse of the sine. So it is sin theta is 2. Sec theta is 1/2. The meaning of this is nothing but sin theta is, cos theta is what? Cos theta is 2. Is it possible? Cos theta is 2. Is it possible? Sec theta is 1/2. Its meaning is cos theta is 2. Cos theta is 2. Is it possible? No, because sec theta, if you try to understand sec theta, if you take the mod of sec theta is always greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1 in the sense it is not possible. So option C is the correct one. Okay. Option C. Birappa, from the YouTube channel, you have given the answer. D, just make it correct. It is sec theta is half. That is not possible because Sec theta is always greater than or equal to 1, not less than 1. Half is less than 1. So, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Have you all understanding this? Please reply in the chat. Are you all understanding? Sir, tan something it is given. Okay. Next one. Okay. Question number next. Okay. Next question is, if sine theta is minus 1 by root 2 and tan theta is 1, then theta lies in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Which quadrant? Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Correct, correct, correct. Yes. So what is the answer for this? It is obviously C is the answer. Correct. A is not the answer. One student has given the A as the answer. So sorry, it is a C as the answer. Why? Because ASTC, I told you, ASTC. All sign are positive. All T ratios are positive in first quadrant. Sign is positive in second quadrant. But here it is negative. Third quadrant, T is positive. T is positive in the third quadrant. It is satisfying the result here. So third quadrant. The option is C, that is third quadrant. Understood? Yes. Yes. Birappa is given the correct answer from the YouTube. Okay. Next one. Yes. Next question is, that is, here is the next question. Okay. If x is sine 45 and cos square is 60 is equal to tan square 60 cosec 30 sec 45 cot square 30, then the value of x is what? If x sine 45 and cos square 60 is equal to tan square 60 cosec 30 sec 40 upon sec 45 into cot square 30, then what is the value of x? Yes. Birappa has given, no one has given the answer. Still, try to solve this, student. Substitute the values, you will get the answer. Substitute the values, you will get the answer. So, you can write it as x sine 45. X, what is sine 45? 1 by root 2. And what is cos square 60? Cos square 60 is what? It is nothing but 1 by 4. Why? Because cos square it is. 2 square is 4, which is equal to tan square 60. What is tan square 60? It is root 3 means root 3 into root 3 the whole square, that is 3 into, then cosec 30. What is cosec 30? Sin 30 is half, so it is 2. Then sec 45. Sec 45 is root 2 and cot 30 is 3. Correct? Try to solve this now. Quickly give the answer. 3 and 3 got cancelled. It is left with root 2. Okay. What is the x value? Quick. Option C. Yes, absolutely. If I give some hint now, you will be very quick. Yes. Birappa, Birappa. I think you have given the wrong answer, Birappa. Just to make it correct, it is 8 is the answer. So you try to shift the LHS term to RHS. So here root 2 and 2 will multiply. So what it will become? Root 2 into root 2, it is 2 into 4. So it will become 8. These 2 will goes to the numerator, na? Yes or no? These both will goes to the numerator. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 4 is 8. Option C is the correct answer. Absolutely. Everyone is giving the right answer. Okay. Let me move on to the next question. Yes. Which of the following is possible? It is they are asking that which of the following is possible. Possible in the sense they are not asking the exactly the answer. They are not neither they are asking the x value or not theta value. Cos theta already the values are given. Is it possible with respect to that function is asking. Just try to understand and give the answer. Which of the following is possible? Yes. What is the answer for this? Yes, some are giving the answer. Birappa has given the D as the answer from the YouTube, and from here DDS. Absolutely. It's very simple that tan can have the any value, but cos and sin have the value not greater than 1. Absolutely, here all are greater than 1. Yes or no? So all are greater than 1, but tan theta with respect to that can have any value. So tan theta only the correct answer. Tan theta is equal to 45. So if you cancel them, these all will give the answer greater than 1. So it is the incorrect answer. So tan theta can have the any value. So tan 45 is 1. So it is the correct answer. Yes. Next one. Okay. Next question is here. Yes. So try to solve this. If sin theta is minus half, cos theta is root 3 by 2, then theta lies in first, second, third, fourth quadrant. Which one is the right answer for this? Sneha is given D. Some other issue has given the B as answer. Just try to think and give the answer. Swati, SPS, Shravani has given D as the answer. Let me see that. Okay. But I will give you one simple caution. Just try to think the answer twice and give the answer. Don't be in a hurry way. Because if you tick the wrong answer, you will directly lose in the marks in the directly lose 1 mark in the exam. And I hope you know that in the CET, losing 1 mark is just losing the 100 rank. In 1 mark, 100 ranks will get up in the CET. Okay. And once you tick the answer in the CET, you don't have chance to recorrect it. You don't have any option. Yes, D is the answer. Many of you have given the D as the answer. Absolutely. It is direct question. It is the fourth quadrant. Correct? Fourth quadrant, because ASTC. In ASTC, only C will satisfy, that is cos theta is positive in the fourth quadrant. So, fourth quadrant is the answer. Okay? Yes. Yes. Bhima by Ambedkar, something you are given the wrong answer. Earlier, your answer was correct D, but now you changed your answer to C from YouTube channel. I think it is the wrong answer. Your earlier answer was correct. It is D. Because ASTC, I told you, all silver teacups is a hint for that. C in the sense what? Cos theta is positive in the fourth quadrant. So here option D is the correct suitable option for the correct answer. Yes or no? Okay. Next one. Yes, next one. If sine theta is 3 by 4, tan theta is 9 by 2, then cos theta is what? It is just simple question, not a CET question, but it may ask in the CET also. So due to that, it is appeared in the screen. Yes, try to solve this. If sine theta is 3 by 4, tan theta is 9 by 2, then cos theta is what? So here it is clearly given that tan theta is, use the tan theta 9 by 2. Tan theta means what? It is nothing but sine theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. So which is 9 upon 2. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, which is 9 upon 2. So here we don't have the value, that is nothing but the cos theta. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but 2 by 9 into sin theta. Okay. 2 by 9 into sin theta. So the final answer is 2 by 9 into, what is sin theta value? Sin theta value is given, that is 3 upon 4. Try to solve this. 1s are 3s are 1s are 2s are. So it is 1 by 6 is the answer for the given question. So this is the answer. That is nothing but 1 by 6 is the answer. Option A. Absolutely. Many of you have given the correct answer. I am very proud of you all. Okay. Yes. From YouTube also many students are giving the right answer. Bhima by Ambedkar, it is wrong. Please make it correct. Yes. Next one. We are going to the next one now. Yes. Yes. Next one. If sin theta is root 3 cos theta, then theta is equal to what? If sin theta is equal to root 3 cos theta, what is the value of theta? So many of you have given the answer. 60. D is the answer, or D option is correct. Absolutely. Option D is the correct one. Correct. Correct. So just sin theta, cos theta you transpose to the LHS side. So it will become sin theta upon cos theta, which is equal to root 3. Sin theta upon cos theta, I hope you know that. Tan theta. Tan theta is root 3 is equal to for tan 60 degrees. So it is 60 degrees the answer. Okay. Yes. Those who are not solved, please take the screenshot or just write it down very quickly. Next question. Okay. Question number 8. When x is pi by 2, then tan x is what? When x is pi by 2, what about the tan x? D. Not defined. How? Apeksha has given the option D. SPS Shravani Kulkarni has given the option D. Yes. Because tan x is not defined for the pi by 2 value. Okay. So it is a simple reason. For tan value, pi by 2 is not defined. So because of that, the answer is option D, that is not defined. Okay, next question. Okay, next question is sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to what? What is the value of this? I'll erase the answers. Previous answers these are. Don't depend upon those answers which are ticked because I have to clear the drawings. Yes, try. Sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. The value of this is what? So what is pi by 6 means what? It is nothing but 30. Am I right? So 30. 30 in the sense it is sin square 30 is 1 by 2 the whole square. Cos square 60. Again it is also 1 by 2 the whole square. Why? Because sin 30 cos 60 both are same. Minus pi by 4. Tan square pi by 4 is nothing but 1 square. So what is the value of this? Just I am writing the values just above that values. So it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Just wait for a minute. Yes. Yes. Okay. So minus 1. So what is the value here? 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1. It is the value is nothing but minus half is the answer. Option B. Oh, wrong, wrong. 1 is wrong. Option D. Many of you have given the option D as the answer wrong. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. 1/4, 1/4 in the sense it is half. 1/4 plus 1/4, it is nothing but half it is. -1. Half minus 1 is minus half. Okay? Yes. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes, correct. B is not the right answer. Okay, B is the correct answer. Okay, okay, sorry, I have got mistake. Okay, minus half is the right answer. Yes, next one. We are going to next. If tan theta is 20/21, then cos theta is equal to what? Tan theta is 20/21, then what about cos theta? First, calculate it and give me the answer. Option B. No. Option C. Apeksha. Correct. Option D is the wrong answer. Bhima by Birappa and both of you. Sanjay Reddy, it's wrong answer. Option C is the correct answer. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. Plus or minus 21/29. Because the solution is quite lengthy, so you don't have any shortcuts. You have to apply the ratios and you have to get the answer for that. Okay. Next one. Yes. Try this, all of you, please. Yes. If phi sin theta is equal to 3, then sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta is what? If phi sin theta is equal to 3, then sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta minus tan theta is what? Yes, YouTube students, try this. Apeksha has given the answer as B. Jyoti Laddi has given the answer as B. Let we see. So you have to think that sec theta plus tan theta is what? What is sec theta plus tan theta? It is nothing but 1 plus sin theta upon sec theta minus tan theta is nothing but 1 minus sin theta. Okay. Then 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus, what is sin theta? Sin theta. Pi sin theta is 3. Sin theta means what? It is nothing but 3 upon pi. Correct? So you can write it as sin theta is 3 upon pi upon 1 minus 3 upon pi. Try to solve this. Here it is. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 upon 5. The whole divided by 5 minus 3, it is nothing but 2 upon 5. 5 and 5 got cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So the final answer is going to be 4 is the answer. Pi and pi directly. Denominator of the numerator, denominator of the denominator will cancel directly. So option B is the correct one. No, Birappa, you have given the wrong answer. C. Slightly your answer is missing. Please make it correct. Okay. Practice it more because sometime it will happen in the CET. So just practice it more. 5 sin theta is 3 in the sense. Sin theta is what? 3 upon 5. Substitute that values and calculate properly. You'll get the answer as 4. I solved on the screen. Just make it correct. Yes. Many of you have given the right answers. Okay. Then next one. Next question. I am moving to the next question now. I will go. Yes, we'll move on to the next question. Question number 11 is over. So question number 12. Yes. The smallest value of 5 cos theta plus 12 is what? Sorry, here it is due to the printing mistake. It is not the question. Okay, don't think about this. Question number 13. We'll move on to the next slides. Then it will appear because it don't have options. So now the smallest value of 5 cos theta plus 12 is what? The smallest value. They are not asking the simple value. What is the value of 5 cos theta 12 plus 12? The smallest value of this is what? Option C is the answer. Many of you have given the option C. Let me see this. So here, the smallest value of 5 cos theta. So what is the range of the 5 cos theta? That is cos theta. It lies between, it is greater than or equal to -1 and cos theta. Cos theta. Cos it is less than +1. Okay. Cos theta lie between -1 to +1. I hope you know this. So substitute the values. What is the value here? It is -5. Because here it is given that -5 I will take instead of -1 is less than or equal to 5 cos theta is greater than +5. Okay, is greater than +5. Am I right? Then -5 here the value cos theta plus 12 is there, so I will make it plus 12 is less than or equal to 5 cos theta plus 12 is less than 5 plus 12 is less than 5 plus 12. Correct? So now 12 minus 5 is 7 is less than same thing 5 cos theta plus 12 is less than 17. Out of 7 and 17, which is the smallest value? It is 7 is the smallest value. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Yes, absolutely. Many of you have given the option C as the correct answer. Yes, yes, yes. Sanjay Reddy and Jyot, Jyoti, Jyoti Nikiter and Birappa. Many of you have given the right answer. Absolutely. I'm very happy with this. Chalo. We'll move on to the next one. Yes. Next question. Sin theta upon 1 minus cos theta plus cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta. The value of this is what? The options are 0, 1, cos theta minus sin theta, or cos theta plus sin theta. Which one is the correct answer for this? Five to 10 seconds you can take and try to solve this fast. So it can be written as sin theta into sin theta. So sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta, multiplying that, and 1 minus tan theta is cos theta minus sin theta. So try to solve now. It is nothing but directly I will solve. So it is cos square theta minus sin square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Take the commons and try to solve. You will get the final answer as cos theta plus sin theta. So option D is the correct one. Yes, many of you will. The right answer for this, and from this section, Sankalp section, some have not given the answer. Okay, let it be this time. It is a bit lengthy question because we should not choose all the time shortcut question only. Sometimes we have to choose the lengthy question. It may appear in the exams. Okay, the value may change, but the operation will be same. Okay, next one now. Yes, next question is, if sine of alpha minus beta is half, cos of alpha plus beta is half, sine of alpha minus beta, cos of alpha plus beta, both are equal to half. Okay, where alpha and beta are positive acute angles. Here it is printing mistake again. Please make it correct. Here alpha and beta are positive acute angles. Then the value of alpha beta are what? Alpha is 45, beta is 15. Alpha is 15, beta is 45. Option C is alpha is 60, beta is 15. And option D is alpha is 15 and beta is 60. So try to solve this and get the answer. Just I will give the hint. Alpha, sine of alpha minus beta is half, in the sense it is nothing but a sine of 30. Sine of half value will satisfy for sine 30. Am I right? And for similarly for cos of alpha plus beta is half, in the sense half for cos is what? Cos of 60 is half. I am writing the value here only because CET will prefer, means we have to prefer the as short as possible so that it can save the time. Okay, cos of 60. Solve 1 and 2. You will get the answer. 1 in the sense it is a first equation. You can treat the whole as first equation and you can treat this whole equation as second equation. First and second equation, you can solve it. You will get the answer as alpha is 45, beta is 15. Okay. Option A is the correct answer, and from this chat box, many of Aisha has given the right answer, and from the YouTube channel also some of students are giving the right answers. Please make it correct if your answer is different. Are you getting this, or shall I show? This meaning in the sense alpha minus beta is 30 degree. The meaning is like this because sine and sine will get cancelled. Alpha minus beta is 30 degree. Similarly for alpha plus beta is how much? It is 60 degree for the second equation. Try to solve now. You will come to know. Minus beta plus beta got cancelled. 2 times alpha is equal to 90. So alpha is equal to 90 upon 2, that is 45. That is the alpha value. Alpha value, if you substitute in one of the equation, alpha is 45 minus beta is 30 is equal to 30. So 45, if we shift it to other side, will give us the 15 as the answer. That is the beta. Okay. Is that cleared? Yes. Next one. We are going to go for the next question. Shall we move? Are you writing still? Is it understood? This question. Is this question is understood? Solution is understood to you all? Yes. Okay. Yes, it's the next question now. If x is a cos theta plus b sin theta and y is a sin theta minus b cos theta, then a square plus b square is equal to what? A square plus b square is equal to what? X is a cos theta plus b sin theta, then y is a sin theta minus b cos theta. What is the value of x square, a square plus b square? So try to solve this fast and give your answer through the chat box. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, I will give the hint. This you treat it as equation number 1, whole equation. This as whole equation number 2. First you square the equation 1 and 2. What will give the answer? X square is equal to a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta. Second one is y square, square and add. Y square is equal to a square sin square theta minus b square cos square theta. So add now both the equation, you just add it. We'll come to know what is the value. So what is the value now? If you add this, it will gives you x square plus y square. Okay. So here Here it will gives you sine square plus cos square is 1. So it is a square. And here it is sine square plus cos square.